dancing, 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 dancing. Ow. Oh, dizzy. Oh. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all having a wonderful morning, getting ready for school or work. It's back to regular scheduling. Today is Senior's Day. Go hug a senior with permission today. Buy them a coffee. Pay them a compliment. If you're broke, pay them a compliment. Say good morning. How about just look at them and say good morning? You'd be surprised at how many of them just light up. I'm a senior. Say good morning to me, bitch. Good morning, seniors. Have a great day. That one was stuck.